What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. Welcome back. It was a little bit tough time for me. Uh, Update on my like time. I didn't do much, so almost like for 2 weeks. So my older son playing soccer for college break his ankle, and that's what happened. I between like Chicago and Cincinnati. Uh, Now I drop him last what was it like on, oh yeah, on Wednesday, Tuesday, and it's fine. So back on track. Here I go. I have a lot of questions about soldering LEDs. I have previous videos streaming as well, top camera, but do it again, very detailed and with my kind of personal comments. My profession, I was at the factory assembling electronics on components level. Okay, so that's my profession, one of my professions. So, and I trained. I know you guys doing a lot of trying to do installations, then that's great. Make sure just you're using correct tools and stuff. Sometimes it will, if you're sending me engine when it's already you guys try to do it, stop it at the right time, because it will cost you more for me to fix everything. So, but that's LEDs. Supposed to be not big deal, but I mostly problem uh, the people using wrong like materials. That means flux. That's like 100% deal. We can debate about like flux paste and liquid flux, but this is what I'm using here for 20 years, and I make my own. So this is Kester 186. They always like military grade. Yes, I think you still need, like, you don't need a clean it after that, no problem. But that's what they claiming. All right, so it's great. So I'm tired a little bit making my own. I'm using this. So yeah, first I got it like 2002 or so. I found out about it. I'm selling it, and Vadim, hello. Evgeny, what's up? I'm selling it on, right now it's on new website. It's, if you type Kester, key key E, is that K? Anyway, I'll just type it here, Kester key, on new website, which is developing right now, shopdcc.com. That's a new website, which is will be everything integrating about in a month to dcctrain.com. Okay, but right now I just don't want to put link pointing incorrect link. Okay, because it will be, I think both website will be, it will be forwarding to dcctrain.com. So type Kester and you will see that bottle, 26 gauge needle. That's what preferable, and it will be with the flux, fully like loaded, free shipping. Price you can find at this point at www.shopdcc.com. Bingo. All right. No, I messed up a little bit. It's okay. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Hold on. Here we go. Because again, if I put the link, that link won't be exist. It will be changed to different ones. So, and I'll make the video how to do it on the main website as well. So, but in a second we'll start working. Good question. No, 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 no. I think it should be. Never mind. Hold on. Yes, but it's live channel, so it's always some screwed up happening. Yes, so I'll grab the link and we'll start. So in the search, type Kester. Bam. So this is so far temporarily website, but it will be, if you're going to this website or dctrain.com in a month, you will get the correct website. Finally, bingo. All right. So, soldering gun. I have two. It doesn't matter for me, guys. For you, will probably make big difference. I can solder with anything. I can solder with big old old guy like me, like literally, like with a thick, like thick like this tip. I think I can do it. But anyway, that's one of mine. So far I have 3, but using on workbench 2. That's the one with the tip. Velar WXP65. Let's rotate, just I don't want to burn myself. That's the model. Okay, it's still, I think, it's available. It's with new digital system. Digital, I believe it's what's the name of it? Hold on. I thought I prepared. Sorry about that. Just one sec. Okay, it's digital WX1, and that's your soldering gun. Okay. The other one is with older WD1M with a smaller tip like this. They're still available. They're not available in the set I have. When I put that thing like a holder, it will disconnect. The newer, much better, I don't want to say better, it has standby time, okay, but that's video for another day. I did already reviews, but I guess it's hard to find on on YouTube, on main channel though. Okay, so tools, some cutters, whatever you prefer. Those are, what is it? Some good stuff. Seriously? Oh, that's Pro American. Never mind. Made in USA. Here we go. Probably like $60 or so. But again, that's I'm doing this commercially. Different types, but 2 types of tweezers. That thing is kind of very hard, and this is very light. And now, main thing, guys, big mistake, mostly of size of LEDs. Those LEDs 0603, people making mistake calling them 0403, 0402. I'll show you what's those 0402. Hey, where is it? Here we go. So it's almost not twice, but significantly smaller. Okay, this is 0402 because they are first on production line. Okay, and those are 0603. Okay, so let's get rock and roll. Let's thing going. All right. I need to make 10, one just fly away, which is absolutely normal. Sometimes it's happening. So I need to make 12, so I have another package, but we'll do two of them. So 1, 2. I think I can find the other one, flying one. We'll see. I just cleaned my floor near the workbench, but whatever. So just be careful, because all that stuff flying very fast and far. All right, here I go. So we talk about flux. That's the key, because if you, I mean, I think I can use the paste, you know, but it will be more messy, I think. Also, especially on those type of magnet wires, and I'll talk about wires in a second, that will be hard to apply that paste. You got my point, right? So the magnet wire is number 38. That's how they classify it, okay? The regular wire, stranded, it's ESU, I think micro, and engineering, just repackaging stuff, but that regular wire, it's 36 ESU made it. So of course it will be on the new website. It's still on the old website. So here we go, on dctrain.com. Yeah, it's, I know, guys, it's a little bit confusing. I confuse myself. Anyway, so if I'm going like to literally smaller LED, or even 06, oh, it's magnetized now. Oh boy, I'm in trouble. Or it's probably static. We just turn heat. Yes, so when you have static, you will have some issues, but that's okay. That special ESD safe. It's nothing happening if it's small. Small like electrical shot will go through it. It's not like microchip or something. That thing survived, but it's very important for electronics. Okay, so here we go. Polarity. Those are Rob requested me. So the black one wires going probably to the ditch lights outside of the engine. That's why they actually no, he asked me for not for the color. I just have the black ones, but yeah, if you're putting like the magnets, usually magnet wire is going to ditch lights, yes, so you can paint them. But sometimes, yes, important to have, for example, for Thomas's, I'm using like black wire like that. Okay, so, and new Thomas is going with LEDs now. Ooh, I'm working on N-scale one, so cool. Okay, Nick Santo, what's up, my man? We're doing the same thing now. I'm cutting 40 gauge, okay, magnet wire for 0201 LED. Nice. Nice. Yura, hello. I will do, I have some news, Yuri, for you. Good news. I'm finishing Thomas. So, and then it will be for the matching speed steps. Okay, so it's coming very soon, my friend. All right, so here we go. And again, if it's smaller LED, to apply the paste, it will be really kind of messy. That's what I'm saying. With that wire, maybe stick it to that paste. I think it's okay, but again, guys, liquid version is much better. All right, so we're doing it right now. When you holding soldering gun, better use, I'm not sitting on my workbench. Maybe this will help you, but that's what's going on. Okay, turn it on. The height, it doesn't, it's not adjustable table. One of our friend built it for me, but that's what it's about. If you put your arm on a table and elbow will be like at 90 degrees, like angle 90 degrees. That's not overwhelming. So it's naturally, you have your fingers like here, you know, your wrist, and very sturdy, you know, for a lot of different applications you can do. All right. Because when I'm sitting, even I have adjustable table, it's not really, I don't know, when I'm standing up, it's much comfortable. All right, so we'll start with, we'll put those wires, the magnet will be at the end, and we'll do, and for Russian guys, I'm going back to DCC train. Oh, a lot of stuff going on, see? In the, oh boy, that's actually good. I clean it a lot. I'll tell you a story about cleaning in a second. Yeah, extra, no problem. And every time I'm finishing, I'm cleaning this area. So we'll do like that. And story about cleaning. That's really funny. So what I'm doing, the temperature is 520 Fahrenheit. So I kind of just touching this end, and it shrinks literally like just a bit, enough for me to do this. That's it. Stable, shiny, good deal. No cold soldering. And with the paste, sometimes it's just not, depends on the paste too. I have like 100% quality of the soldering flux. Okay, so same thing here. And if I forget what I did, I don't remember, honestly. Yes, I think I did a little bit. I apply flux here, but it's not gonna hurt. Not gonna hurt. Same thing here. See, I have 3 fingers here and entire wrist. It's absolutely sturdy. And the soldering gun, same thing. And you're applying like in 5 seconds. Done. Done. That's it. Shiny. It's a bunch of flux right now, but that's okay. We're gonna clean it. Yes, fine. Also, you can go straight behind, but again, this Rob is going to put lenses for that LED, lenses like this. You want tutorial, let me know. I can make it for you. Here we go. Those lenses I made myself. And again, if it's maybe in a cab or something, those wires, you can barely see it. See them, here we go. Okay, done with this. We're going to the magnet wire. Nick actually suggested he has a small, like a bath, which is cool because he's my man in like massive production scale. But yeah, putting them in a small like bath with liquid means the solder will be, of course, very like bath of the solder. And that's how he is. I did it a million years ago at the factory as well. Because it was individual pieces of electronics. So a couple of times I'm taking my time. Again, I'm not making like 100 of them. I'm just making 8. No, yeah, 8 or 4. I'm not sure. Just need to check it out. But again, if I'm going to do more, I definitely will use that type of unit with the like solder melted. Here we go, melted. You can raise temperature a little bit, maybe another 10-15 degrees, but that's okay. It's working perfectly for me. Just need to get rid of that lacquer protection, and we should be fine. Yeah, it definitely will be faster. I don't think so. It will be like super faster, but maybe convenient if you're doing like 100 pieces or so. Okay, so here we go. We'll grab. Should looks good. Here, again, I'm guys not talking about polarity or like cathode, anode, whatever in English. Correct me if I'm wrong. Plus, minus, no, that will be confusing. The green is going to that triangular mark, the flat piece, not pointing piece, and red is going to the other side, okay? So, and then you need to test them anyway, so that's how it's work. This is how it's working. So checking up, top of triangular, okay, longer is yeah, longer side, and that's how the green, where's green going, okay? Same thing, 3 fingers here, an entire wrist resting on the bench, no stress, easy peasy. And every time, like 2-3 times, I'm getting more fresh solder by itself. Done, perfect. You can see the perfect spot, you know. It's kind of sphere, which is just great. Okay, grab this guy. Here we go. What I recommend, don't do yard work or any other work. What, like car fixing work, any, like, yes, because that is not really helpful. So in the morning or in the evening, when everything's cool, you can do it absolutely. Yeah, I did experiment again, thought like, no, it's not gonna affect me. Nope, it's it was a little bit tough. Okay, now looks good. A little bit longer wire, it's okay. Now I'm just twisting it again close to, he doesn't like when I'm twisting them a lot, but I need a little bit twisted here before I twist it like no tomorrow, really like crazy. So he said, no, please don't do it. And I'm just following request. Okay, cleaning time. Oh, about cleaning, yes. So the problem, before I do it, when the thing started, epidemic, pandemic, whatever, I cannot find 90% ribbon alcohol, and I have only, I didn't use anything else. I'm just using, before using the 90% alcohol, and I have 70%. And finally, that 26 gauge needle completely stopped. Like, I did it almost like every week, on weekend when I'm doing a lot of installations, and finally it stopped. And that's 70% is not strong enough to clean it. I use special like small stainless steel, like micro wire, I should say, with that 70%, but it didn't go through completely. Okay, so I'm using usually good quality, what's the name, paper towel, not leaving any like residue, some cheap stuff, you know. It's not worth it. Avocadic, what's up, my man? That's a channel for English. You're welcome, of course, no problem. It's not English lesson, it's just that's what I'm using for English channel, my friend. Okay, so I'll don't go far. I'll finish it like in a couple of minutes. We'll go to the Russian channel, so Russian speaking guys, audience. Okay, I'm not a teacher. I can teach you only DCC, some electronics. English is, sorry, bro. My English is just, it's okay. So here we go. Clean it through very good. Like, do it few times. Change the different area, because the lens will be glued. Where's lens? Lens, hello. Uh-oh, where is it? Oh boy. Here we go. The lens from plus truck rod, transparent, will be gluing to this area. Okay, should be no residue, no messing around. I think that we're clear on this, guys, right? Crystal clear. And here we go. And now I'm using, I got it a couple of months old, more, just the individual DC power supply, like $300, but that's good one. So to test them, but that's it for right now, guys. Thanks for watching. Raman, what's up, my man? Sometimes I found 90% drugstore. Yes, I got it finally. Yes, my wife actually. Thank you, Leslie. Nick saying yes. Now it's okay. But for almost like for a year, more than for a year, I tried to use that 70%. No work. No bueno. Yeah, completely not enough. Yes, so right now you can get them at I think she got it like at Kroger or something, whatever stores, grocery stores selling them. All right, guys, that's the pretty much end of the broadcast. If you wanna, I keep burning my fingers in the solder pot. Do you know where to get insulated finger cuts? My man, good question. Maybe you put like a couple of those. Sometimes I'm touching, like accidentally touching the but you probably need to do experimenting. They are selling like much thicker ones, but I'm not feeling anything with them, you know. I didn't try, but I know it's not gonna work. Those just are regular ones. They are, especially those black ones, they ESD safe, and maybe they holding the temperature better. But yes, put in a couple of two more if like bigger, larger size. Sometimes, yes, in about half an hour, they are having a little bit issue with, no, like in an hour, but I'm not working much in using those guys. All right, cool. So that's the Patreon for supporting channel. Patreon on the left, PayPal on the right, and I hope it will be monetized soon. I'm going to need like what 4,000 on this channel. It's probably like around 4,000 hours to watch. We're getting there. Okay. Avocadic doesn't understand anything. Sorry, bro. That's okay. Don't need to understand. Just look at it. You're right. Достаточно просмотра. Okay, guys. Thanks again. We'll see you soon. All right. Have a good one. Bye bye.